here's Night447. If you saw my last video, you know that is not enough to change our character. So this video is a continuation of the last video. Let's begin. Hello people, we keep it up the retargeting, but I can put some animation here to show why it's not working yet. So I will change run. Running. This is running kick. No. It is running. I think this I can show it this. First of all, let's see all our bonds, all hierarchy. You see the all bond is moving, but if you note the red line here is the root bond. The root bond is not moving with the charter, the target charter that is our contest. So what you need to do is keeping up the retargeting assets in the recontest. We'll do the a chain for foot, IK foot. You can select IK foot here and pick IK foot L, IK foot R, and foot root. Okay, this three right here. Right click, new retarget chain, and this time we will create two retargets, two retarget chain. The first one is the left foot. I will put the IK foot L, the name of chain, head chain. Right after I click head chain, you will create the foot R because it's the chains in the order. IK foot R. So he create for me the IK foot L, IK foot R. I will do the same with the IK hand. You will pick the IK hand hood, IK hand gun, IK hand L, IK hand R. Right click, new retarget chain, the same, but of course we will do the put the name IK hand L, cause the IK chain, and the second IK hand R, head chain. Another thing we need to do to work with our hood to it work properly, we need to change that too. So select all the root, right click on the root, new retarget chain. You can let it the name root, head chain. Okay, so here in the IK retarget asset, we will then match the IK items right here. We can use auto mapping, map all fuzzy. Little thing is wrong here. Okay, I need to do the same on the our wave 5. That is not our source. I forget. Let me start with the IK foot, retarget chain, IK foot L, add chain, IK foot R, add chain. Now the hand, new retarget chain, IK hand L, IK hand R, add chain. Now we add the chain for hood, new retarget chain, hood, add chain, save. I'll save that. In your retarget asset, I will auto map it once again. Now hood is hood, spine spine, left arm, head, neck, head is head, not problem with this. Left leg, right leg, and your RAK bonds here. So if you can see, is remapped, but we can see that we don't have the position of our hood moving yet. So I'll select this. And the root that I selected here, in translation mode, I will select the globally scaled. When do this, our animation is more like this. See the red line here? For the animations that have root motion, it will be used. So we need that to work properly, okay? And finish it. Let me select the other animation right here. I will select the walk. Let me hide some bones right now. The animation is good, it's not bad, but we here the arm is a little not good. So we can adjust this. One way to do that is, let me put the preview in the right place here, preview settings. I'll put the 0 here. Okay, I'll pause just for now. One way to fix that, we need to create IK targets for our character. So I will select our target skeleton, that is our countess. In this case, I will click add new solver, full body IK. Now I will create some IK targets, and basically I will select the hand L. Okay, first we need to set the root of this full body AK. So I click on the root, right click on it, and set root bone on select solver. This solver right here. So we can now select our hand. Where is my hand? Okay, right click, new AK goal. Okay, you can assign goal, and the hand there. Let me find it. Where is the hand error? Here. Found. New IK goal. Async goal. You notice that when I create a goal for IK, a little box or yellow box appears right here in the hands. I'll do the same to the legs. Not quite necessary, but for you adjust some things, you like to do that. So I select foot. Let me see what bone is the best bone to add. I think it's the foot air and the bow air bone. New IK goal on async goal, bow air, and the bow L too. New IK goal, async goal. Okay, and now we can select our, and let's save. Now we can select our retargeting asset, and in here we can select the yellow box, and to see the animation to fit, we can just select the translation. Nope. Let me see what's the, oh god, here, blend to source. We can adjust to 1 to fit exactly on the bone location. The right arm, we can do the same. If you don't want to adjust to 100%, you can just adjust a little. It's up to you, to your charter, and not need to be exactly, but depends on what you doing, what result you want. You can adjust to 1 to pick the 100%. I think is a little better right now. Let me play. The head is jogging. I can do a IK for the head too, but I not will do right now. Let me just put the select none here, clicking outside of bonds, and the preview. I will see how it is in the side by side. So I'll play. The hand's not entering the body anymore, and is kind of okay. I'll select the another animation. A badass pose to walk, but it's good. Running. I can pick some running animations. Oops, it's running kick, not running. Okay. Okay, the animations are good. Now we can go to another step to retargeting. That is, replace our character. So I go to content browser. I select my character in the standard folder. that is beaten up, chores, playable charters, test charters. I'll pick up the white mail just for replacing it because it's the standard. I will double click. In here we can go to viewport, select our mesh. First we you select our contest, that is the charter that I import. Paragon contest charter. Where is the static mesh? Meshes, I think here. Is here. Contest skeleton mesh. Guys, this is skeleton mesh or character. I will select here. Is too wide because it's not using the asset that we just created. Is picking the preview asset animation. So we find this anim blueprint class here. I will click in this icon right here, and it will show our anim blueprint asset. The name is ABP playable anim BP. So we need to do is right click on here, go and retargeting animation assets, duplicate and retarget animation asset blueprints. Now we can change or select the IK retargeter, that is our asset we created, IK red to Unreal Engine 4 to contests. When you select, the skeleton source appears here, the skeleton target appears right here, and I will and put the suffix underline ret and change the folder to save in the a folder with the more organization. I will save in the anime assets. Right click, new folder, Retargeting assets, and I'll say right here. Click OK. We have the suffix red, folder retargeting. I'll check it. You can click retarget. Doing this will pick up your anim blueprint, and all animations that is in use by anim blueprint will be retargeted. So we'll create a lot of animations that is here. Are these animations right here, and we select the animation blueprint retarget, that is the playable and MVP underline red, and we need to change this asset right here. In the animation mode, you can keep the same, and in class just click here on the arrow because we selected our animation blueprint in the content browser. If you select here, you just need to click on the arrow right here, and now we can walk with our charter, run, jump. I will not attack right now because the attacks are broken. We need to do the retarded animations for the attacks. So For start, I need to go to our asset Retarget and select all these animations montages right here, with the blue icons. That's the montage of attacks and etc. So select them all, click on this icon, export selected animations, choose your folder. I will choose the beaten up anime assets, retargeting assets. I will put the suffix underline ret to know the difference and the original ones and the new ones, and click export. It will create a duplicate of all these assets right here that belongs to our source and due to our character here that is our target. So just waiting, it's finished. Okay, that's it, it's done. Right click just to save. So first thing we need to do is back to our character, and here is the important because the animations by default is in the combat data component. So we click on this element here, right here, and in the details we find some animations. Starts here, combat playable animations. We can click the arrow right here. First of all, we have the combos. We can see in the index 0 we have the first hit of the combo, index 1 we have the second hit, index 2 we have the third hit, and it's go on. We need to select our retarget assets. Remember, pick the name and search for the asset with the same name but the suffix underline ret. So I'll find the I'm punching attack 02 ret, and the index 1 I'll find punching attack 02 ret, punching attack 02 ret, and index 2 punching attack 01 ret, and the 3 punching attack 03 ret, punching attack 04 ret. We select here. On the last index we have kick finisher 5. So we this is just right here, kick finisher 5 ret. So we already have our animations for our attacks. Just remember that you can use your own animations too. You don't need to use this animation, the animations of the that you just retard, but you can use if you want. Okay, I'm running kick montage. I just put the run kick montage ret. I'm running kick montage ret. I am kick flyer. I will select I am kick flyer ret. So we have combat NPC animations. That is for NPC attacks. It will don't affect our character here, but just for learning purpose, I will select it too and select the NPC punch 1 ret, and the second one NPC punch to ret. So we have here the combat reactions montage. The combat reactions is the reactions that player have when he get hit. Okay, so I will change it to I'm hit 3, I'm hit 3 ret, I'm hit 2, I'm hit 2 ret. And the knockdown reactions is the animations, the reactions of the when the player or enemies take a hit and he fall to the ground. And we'll change it in the here to I'm knocked down 1 ret and I am knocked down back ret. Okay, the animations are this. So you can play right now and test to see if it's working like I want to. Looks like everything's fine. Let me test. Well, there's one animation that I not replaced is the animation to pick up items. For a little distraction, I did not put it in the combat data component, but I will do in the next update. Don't worry about it. That animation specifically is in the code in the parent charter, but I'll fix. Don't worry. And I can walk here, hit my enemies. All the animations was working fine. The running kick, running air kick, the combo. So now I thank you for your support. Please like and subscribe and comment with your friends because it helps me a lot. I see you in the next video and goodbye.